We've been fairly deep. We are a 12-year-old company, and this is happening for some time. But last few years, what you're seeing is that now everyone is talking about it. So you're seeing this buzz of everyone talking about it. But it's impossible right now to live a day without feeling the power of automation. At least in the United States, I can talk about. But as of now, it's happening in every industry, across world, from the large enterprise to medium to small. And it is happening across every sector of operations, front office, back office, and middle office. We look at three aspects of what we do as person. In work, we perform actions, we do things, perform tasks. We think and we analyze. These are the three things we do in a normal workplace. And if you think about it, a digital workforce is a combination of three different technologies. From our perspective, it's robotic process automation, RPA. That technology allows you to perform a task just like a person, do things just like a person. Then there's cognitive technologies, which allows you to think like a person, and analytics, which allows you to analyze like a person. When you combine these three things, it forms a perfect digital workforce, which pretty much allows you to automate anything that can be automated. What it means is that previously, when you say how an organization looked, it would say that we are a 500 people or 5,000 people organization which does X. And now the way organizations are shaping is that we are a 5,000 people and 2,000 digital workforce organization which can do X plus Y. That is how it's shaping, where a lot of these work that can be done by a bot is being done by a bot. It allows us to use computers, what they were designed for, which is to process things, which allows us to use what we were designed for. It allows us to do much more value-added work and much more work which involves a lot of human qualities like empathy, thinking, creativity, innovation, all those. The BPO industry is transforming, so are every other. A lot of the largest BPOs are our partners. If you look at the whole BPO industry, it started with labor arbitrage and it moved into knowledge-based work. The next generation of it, how do you perform the same number or more number of process with the same amount of people? If you ask any BPO leader, the quintessential problem they are charged with is to do more with the same. It's not possible without automating. So what automation allows, it allows you to reinvent or reimagine the BPO industry, where they are not just performing the process, but they are finding the value and the meaning of that process and driving a larger business value. So if you see, the whole BPO industry is transforming from just performing the process to driving the value for the customer. And what's happening is that the BPO's jobs are transforming. So their skills, they are upskilling their people to not just perform those particular processes that they are supposed to do, but also how it impacts the end customer and the customer's customer. It leads to new jobs creation. The job loss in technology is one of those things that every time a technology comes, people say, oh, there's going to be job loss. It happened with computers, happened with internet, happening with automation. The anxiety is fair enough. But every time a new path-breaking technology comes, it leads to new types of job creating and always leads to more jobs creation. Historically speaking, that has happened, and at least we see that with all of our partners and customers. It doesn't lead to job loss. In fact, with the same amount of people, they are able to deliver larger value.